Done. Done.
Sir,
What you are getting? Tell me the product.
10-membered ring and alpha hydroxyketone.
Alpha hydroxyketone, correct. So basically, carbon double bond OET, right? Double bond OET. So in presence of sodium xylene, what will happen? So sodium will give one electron, okay, to this carbon center also, to this carbon center also, and this bond will break down. Okay, so it will be carbon. You are getting O minus OET. Here you will have one odd electron. Carbon. Here also you will have one odd electron. Okay, and this oxygen is becoming O minus OET. Now this radical and this radical, they will combine with each other. Okay, and what will happen? This negative charge will be back, OET will leave. Here also negative charge will be back, OET will leave. So what I am getting, double bond O, double bond O. Now again sodium will donate one electron to this carbon, this bond will break. This center it will donate one electron, this bond will break. So what I am getting, so it will become O minus, it will also become O minus. Here you have one odd electron, here also you have one odd electron, so they will combine with each other. When they are combining with each other, you are getting a double bond here. Now you have some proton source, because no proton source, because second step we are giving hydrolysis, okay, or workup. So in presence of H3O plus, you will get what? OH. Here also you have OH. So if OH is in conjugation with a double bond, so here I will get double bond O, here I have OH. So this is your alpha hydroxy ketone. Correct. Okay. Done. Okay, next we have Dakin reaction. Dakin reaction. So Dakin reaction means what? Write down that aromatic carbonyl compound, aromatic carbonyl compound, okay, with OH or NH2, OH or NH2 at ortho or para position. Ortho or para position. Aromatic carbonyl compound with OH or NH2 at ortho or para position. So suppose I have this CHO benzaldehyde, and now if you attach one OH in the para position or ortho position, okay, whatever you can do. So suppose I have in ortho position OH, so this is what, salicylaldehyde, right? And here the reagent is, in Dakin reaction the reagent is your H2O2 NaOH. Okay, so what is actually happening, H2O2 means what, first of all see the mechanism. So H2O2 means this, and NaOH means what, you have OH minus. So OH minus is abstracting one proton from here and this bond break. So what we are getting, hydrogen, oxygen, O minus. This is the generating nucleophile, and water is the byproduct. So this is the generating nucleophile you have. Now what is the substituent you have? So basically carbon, double bond O, hydrogen, and here you have OH. What is the generating nucleophile? O, OH minus. So this nucleophile will attack now on the carbonyl carbon, this bond will break. So once the bond breaks, you are getting what, O minus here, hydrogen is here, you have your oxygen, OH, here also you have OH. Now O minus will back, okay, and this whole phenyl ring will migrate to this oxygen center, and OH will leave from here. So what I am getting, you have this benzene ring here, okay, now it is attaching with this oxygen, okay, oxygen is attaching with carbon, and carbon now becoming like this CHO. Ortho position you have one OH. See, this whole benzene ring, this phenyl ring is now attaching with your oxygen. So you have oxygen. Next you have what, carbon, O minus back, so it become carbon double bond O, and you have already hydrogen, OH is also there. So this is the thing. And next suppose you have what, you have already OH minus, NaOH you are using, so OH minus, now it will attack here, this bond will break, okay, then it will come back, ultimately this bond will break. So what we are getting, OH, O minus, and if you do further hydrolysis, because if you are doing some reaction, water will be little much of amount will be always present, so ultimately you are getting this, okay, ultimately you will get this reaction. Is it clear? So instead of this CHO, what is the product? What is the product of your Dakin reaction? Okay, just a minute, what happened? So instead of this CHO, OH group comes, okay, that is the thing, okay, introduction of OH instead of CHO. Fine. Any doubt from Dakin reaction? Okay, what happened, I don't know, just a minute. Okay, fine. So this can be like this also, sorry. So this can be like this also. Suppose you have benzene ring here, okay, you have CHO, here you have OH. If I give this reagent, okay, H2O2, OH minus, okay, what will happen? instead of this CHO you will get what? OH. Okay, paraquinol derivative. Okay, suppose you have this kind of compound instead of CHO, so instead of OH I can keep NH2 also. Okay, and instead of CHO aldehyde, suppose you have some ketone compound here, COCH3. Okay, if you use the same reagent, okay, H2O2 OH minus, then what will happen? This ketone group will convert to OH. Same mechanism you just try in home. Okay, mechanism you just try in home. If you get any doubt, that time ask me. Okay, but same mechanism you can do it. Okay, you will get this product. Okay, you will get this product. So basically if I do hydrolysis of that also, here you have OH, and this COPH, that will convert to again your OH, paraquinol derivative. Okay, ultimately you will end in this paraquinol derivative. Okay, any doubt? Tell me. Nayana, Chandana, any doubt?
Yes.
Clear, right? Fine, so practice up to that. Okay, then we will continue. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Whatever we are doing in organic chemistry, you just practice by writing in home. Okay, you just take a page and then write down one by one. Okay, and that you have to do several times. Okay, multiple times you have to do it, otherwise you cannot remember tricks. Whatever the tricks we are following or whatever the things we are discussing in the class, that you have to remember, and that only you can remember if you practice it for multiple times. Okay, otherwise in exam time, that time you cannot get anything. Okay, that time it will be lot of headache. Okay, so I don't want that. So organic chemistry, if you are practicing organic chemistry, start from your GOC and then finish it. Okay, whatever you are doing, just finish it. Reagent chemistry, reaction intermediate. Okay, now you are in name reaction, so finish it all. Okay, okay, fine. Okay.